Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make Thai chicken and curry rice, or in Thai we call Kao Mok Gai. Khao Mok Gai is very famous in Thailand and also in street food. It consists of the yellow rice sprinkled with the crispy fried shallot and served with a piece of the chicken that seems to be baked. The recipe today is very easy. We can use for the Lobo. This one is the powder to make the Kao Mok Gai. In one pack there have 2 bags inside. We use just only one in the one time with the rice for 200 grams. And it's very easy because it's just used for a rice cooker. First, we just prepare the chicken. Today I use for 400 grams of the chicken with 2 pieces of chicken, and then put only half of the powder and then mix it well. And then we're gonna marinate for 30 minutes to 1 hour. And after 1 hour, we will put on the pan that have some oil and then cook it just until it's golden brown. For this step, you can skip it if you don't want to make many process. You can just put everything with the rice and water into the rice cooker and then cook it. No need to fry it like this. But for me, I need it to be like a golden brown and have some texture of the chicken. We just make the chicken is look like this. It's very nice to see that it's golden brown, and then we continue on the next process. We put the rice 200 grams with the water in the same quantity, and then add the remains of the powder and then mix it well. And after that, we're gonna add the chicken on top of the rice and switch on. And during we waiting for our rice, and then we continue to make the dipping sauce. It's very easy and very fast. We prepare the mixture as the vinegar for 4 tablespoons, water 4 tablespoons, and sugar for 6 tablespoons, and a bit of salt for half teaspoon. And then we mix it well. And then boil it and stir well until the sugar is dissolved. And now it's ready, and let it cool down. it's cool down, we gonna make the sauce by add our sauce for 4 tablespoons and add the 3 of garlic and some of the chilli. And if you have mint leaves, you can add it for 10 mint leaves and 1 of coriander. And then we will mix it until it's finely. Just blend it well like this. And then let's serve with our rice. We're going to serve rice with the chicken and our sauce, and then add some of the crispy fried shallot on top of the rice and on top of the chicken. And you can eat well with the dipping sauce and cucumber. For the method to make the crispy fried shallot, I will make in the description box below. It's very easy, you can make it. So I hope you guys give this try for this recipe, and if you like this recipe, please like, subscribe and follow me on my YouTube and my Facebook, and see you next time.